welcome back to my channel. I gotta hurry up with this intro because my husband is here. His friend is out in front, so he's talking to him right now, so I'm gonna go a little fast. So I've been seeing this Ratchet prank. Shout out to Tiara. Yeah, I seen this Ratchet prank, and the first person I actually seen did it was Tiara from the Wise Family 5. Tiara, I'm gonna steal this prank from you, and I'm gonna do it on my husband. He's here right now. His car is right next to me, so I'm gonna do this intro real quick. Anyway, so I got me a nice pair of shoes. I'm gonna end up utilizing this anyways because I love this shoes, but I just feel like all the mismatch and all that shit will look really nice. So what y'all think about this slippers, this house shoes right here? I really like it. It's very cute. It's cute. It was very inexpensive. It wasn't that expensive. It was inexpensive. And I have me some little orange bow, an orange one, a yellow one with a big sunflower inside of it. I don't wear fake lashes, yeah, and if I do wear fake lashes, I go get the like the installation of the little where they put like one strand at a time in it. That's the ones I always get. So I went and got me these big lashes, yeah, these huge lashes, and I'm gonna put those on. I got me some bundles. I got me a huge pair of Ratchet earrings. These are what you call ratchet. Okay, and then what else do I got? I got me some toe rings. I always wear toe rings anyway, so that's not new. Anyways, and I got me some purple lipstick, y'all. I got me a purple lip. I'm going to do it on my husband to see how he reacts, and you guys tell me how I did, and let's just have fun. Let's do this. I came home with a little bit of energy today, so see, I need to do my teeth whitening. I'm slacking. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm gonna get back on my teeth whitening, and I haven't been wearing my retainer like I'm supposed to, y'all. Like, I'm really slacking. But anyways, like, guys, I am excited because I know it's gonna be lots of fun. I can't believe I'm gonna be acting all right. Like, I have my bubble gum and everything, y'all. I am ready. When I said I'm gonna be Ratchet, he's hard to get, y'all. I have to go hard to get him. So let's do this. Guys, we're ready. Now who that? You ready for this? Bonita. Today my name Bonita. Come on, let's go.
Bonita.
Let's go.
No, I don't like I don't like that the name they know Bonita.
Bonita? Yep, and that's the what.
Me I like that the name there. I'm fine with the name where you have.
Bonita, come on, let's go.
I'm fine with the name where you got already.
Let's go. Alright, guys. So today, on already know, my name is Bonita today. Yes. You like my look? So what you say, like? You like the new look?
Let me say.
You like the new look?
You never change no look.
Bonita, step out today. What you say?
I saw Bonita, they want to pat their hair too.
Bonita, step out today, yeah.
Oh, you probably should have one of them thing there.
What?
You probably couldn't have that thing there, you know.
What?
Yeah. What you call it?
To make it stand up?
No man, the one on the buy there.
I know that as long as it might last, but I'm gonna just clip it when they drop.
Oh man, shit.
But it may just like this all the time for you, like.
I'm gonna be too much, man.
How is too much?
You know, after this supply all of that now.
When I let me bangle, look here. Look here. In my local beauty supply store, yeah. Look it.
You have the support that they need there all the while, you know.
What need? Me look.
That they
And they say me don't know where me that go far, but I don't know where me that go far, but it worked. All of this. All of this work. So we're going. So I'll get some milk. So this is nothing around with my head. I just have a lazy day. I just need one lazy week actually. I just need one, you know, I just tie up. Oh.
Where you wanna go?
Over this one.
Okay, well you're on video. You're on video. You're on video. I'm record your bomb. And what? No, put people in this.
Can we even twerk in our store?
Do you want to do? Straight up so where you go? Straight up so where you go? What? You're in a Walmart store, do what? Watch it, you can't walk backwards. You can't turn your back and walk. You want to run up people? Michael? I want to see her. Yeah, we know. You see all the arm. You don't see all the arm. That girl there. The one that passed it down there, so. How far you go? The one that passed it down there, so. It's all look like she. Yeah. And then the woman a while ago. You just see that one a while ago? You just see the woman? Yeah, you didn't see the little white lady right there a while ago. Want to go at the corner right there. Yeah, but you all look for them, me I look for my curve. Or my crave. I look for the crave, but I don't see it. I'm looking for the crave, but I don't see it. Alright, I guess I didn't because I did bring one arm. I did bring a arm. What the frosted flip. Oh the hell, I not see that one, man. What am I trying to look for? I don't see it. Alright, so it looks like a What's going on? Alright. Yeah. Everything good? Yeah. I don't know. I mean, hey, what did you do with you did finish the laundry detergent already? Laundry detergent is almost done? Huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab one next one. I'm trying not to trying not to point it for nobody, you know. Me.
Sorry.
Let me get one on the arm. No, the Arm & Hammer. Clean burst right here. This one is good. Clean burst. So yeah. Okay. What may I say is, damn, you know what? You shouldn't probably get a daggone cart, man. And then you push it. And then you push your daggone cart. You don't say your arm. You don't say your arm. I'm being whatever name you call right there. What happened? Come in the island. Yeah, because I'm trying to get them off my back, man. Hold on then, one pull up some more. This thing over my nose. Oh. You mean you're talking the same one just asked you a while ago? Oh. But you see, look, you see how she kind of catch on panties because she say, what you doing? YouTube? Yeah, because that's what she asked. Why do we have to do all of that? Alright, let's go walk over that side over here. So. That's every aisle we're going at the next side is like we are run up, you know.
People look like, what the hell is going on with her? Why she look like that?
Why she look like Ratchet? Ratchet, whatever that is. Everyone wanna come up with them names, you know. So so that's what she was saying. So I don't know, you're up here. I don't know. Where y'all look?
What are you doing? Why are we over here?
Came over here to look
Do I get a card them for the girls then?
I look when I look if they have anything like that, but that them say something about they got those cards, so I don't know.
Look that bad door?
What you mean if you
look that bad?
I mean look that bad.
So people find me some kind of way?
Maybe because they have on the shoes, I don't know. You have on the shoes and that's what they're looking at, I guess. And the eyelash and if somebody are looking at maybe I don't them look for me, I don't know. They're probably looking at you have on. You know, say I must not them look for. I say no, that's what they must be looking at.
You look at some never have on for long nails.
You know, say that's they must look for. They might look for his shoes and then see with the big old boy in their hair. Right. So hold on. Fix my hand. I gotta fix my hand.
You wanna bring this?
You really want to carry that bagger? No, we couldn't carry that.
You wanna leave this store?
Yeah, because no, what time it is? It's that's what you see any day going with. That's why you that's why you requested. Hey, give me one of the bags so you can fix your arm. Give me one of the bags so you can fix your thing. Oh, we know. Now they want to look for you now, you wonder. Sucker. No, because sometimes you have to dip it to but it either show me do the 5 it yeah, ask her what if I look man. You think so you come to the store and I call yourself looking like look, they was talking about the card them. You can't hit the all icon. So yeah. Alright. You get another subby here, little tweed. No, yeah.
So people, I left him in a Walmart. I go back to film, I can't find him. He said, I'm going to tell your friend to subscribe to a YouTube channel. So everyone go back in there, but I want to go back in there with the bag them. So I go back in there now. But then I want my forever. I just do not know where I want. So I'm back in there, so I try to find him. But I know it's not going to be successful. I find him. But yo, people, I love them shoes, yeah, them comfortable and all these things. Look at them comfortable, man. Them well comfortable. Well comfortable. That me I tell you though. Like well comfortable. So how you feel today? Me embarrass you? Enough? Or me embarrass myself?
I look like, yeah.
Me embarrass myself?
Kinda, because
Everybody has steer for me, I know. We don't look nowhere.
Well,
We look some type of way.
well, it's a good embarrassment, you know.
We look some type of way. Ah, gee.
Damn. And there are other people else I think I could probably see in here.
Eh?
And there are other...
Oh yeah, because some of them did have one like that too. We look some type of way, people.
Look at this.
Oh, you can't over here.
I know where I'm at. Do you know where you at? Do you know where you at? Oh, come up and say a Martin son this, but Martin say a black him got.
Black one.
Huh?
Black one.
No, Martin son got one of them now, but him say I'm black one. Yeah, so him say I'm black one. But I thought it was a... Yeah, he thought like he was gonna get rid of it anyway. He was supposed to get rid of it. Yeah, he wasn't supposed to get rid of it because him say
I want to see people Ratchet did a palm point or what? Ratchet palm point or palm shoes right here and out.
look pan her in her bed slippers. I'm gonna go home, we can't Hey, nobody like that boat, yeah.
Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side.
Doing all of that.
I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. So cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright.
Weird. Yeah, you never know say you, bro. How go on? Well, we just normally running there. Yeah, me just normally running there pay if me get some come out, you know? Yeah. What? Yeah man. Is everything good? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, see, I get a bag of popcorn. Where you get two? Get your bag. Get your bag and put it in. All right. Get out of here. Let's get out of here.
I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friend.
People, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and this is the Ratchet Gang.
I don't know what she are going with people. She going to the store for go buy.
People, want to make sure that why we still have our device on the face.
I tell you.
We always have that. Why we still have our device? People want to like, share, and subscribe, and like up the thing, want to share the thing, tell a friend to tell a friend, so they all would pass it about.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down.
Man.
Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now.